Welcome to all. Nowadays, technology growing fastly as there are so many number of mobile application which can be used in various field of agriculture. In that marketing of farm produce and processed products got easy because of use of agricultural marketing apps. But farmers in rural area are not aware about such type of knowledge in utilizing various mobile apps for marketing purpose. So that there is need to inform the farmers about e-marketing apps and provide them knowledge how to install, use, run such type of application. Because of that, I decided to conduct the demonstration on mobile application to give the farmers relief from tension about how to sell their produce as well as how to buy a commodity. The objective of this demonstration is to surveying that how many number of farmers utilize various mobile application for the marketing purpose, to aware the farmers about easy, safe, convenient, simple, inexpensive marketing can be done by using various mobile application, to provide knowledge about how to install, how to run and how to use the mobile application to farmers for marketing purpose, to study the various mobile application used in marketing of crop produce. Then various apps are listed below, that is Agri app, IFFCO Kisan, Agri Market, Agri Media, Kisan Suvidha, PM Kisan Government of India, ENAM, Mandi Central, Market Yard, Kisan Yojana, Crop Insurance. Then firstly IFFCO Kisan. Use of IFFCO Kisan is it is online marketplace for the farmers where they can buy or sell any agricultural commodity. In that app, option provided by the apps are: first, weather, daily and accurate information about temperature, relative humidity, rainfall, wind, etc. Second is Mandi option, where you can add or search any mandi where you want to do marketing activities. Third, buyers and sellers. In this option, list of buyers and sellers were provided for various commodities. You can also add your post in my post option, where you can post what you want to buy or sell. Fourth option is shop here option. In that option, you can purchase anything you want. Fifth number option, my crop option. Here you can search any crop and its related information. Sixth one is agro service. Here, library of various books and the new advisory options are provided. You can search any books related to agriculture. Seventh is financial service option. In this option, two options were provided. First one is insurance. In insurance application, option were provided. Second one is loan. Loan option where loan listing were provided with search option. Eighth number, news and job application, where you can read any new updated news and the find job. Ninth is videos. You can search any video related to agriculture. And 10th one is Kisan Call Center. KCC number were provided where you can call and ask your queries and the questions. Second app is Agri app. Options provided by this app. First is search option. In this option, we can search any of the commodity that you want buy or sell. Second one is buy here option. In this option, list of top sellers, dealers and the most like sellers were provided inputs like biofertilizer, crop tonics, specialty fertilizers, insecticide, fungicide, weedicide, field equipment, NPK, fertilizer, organic fertilizer, where you can buy here. Third one is a crop option. In this option, you can select or search any of crop with image were provided, so that you can search about any package of practices related to these crops. Fourth one is crop calendar option. Here you can add your crop so that they will provide crop calendar related to this app. Fifth one is videos option. You can watch or upload any agriculture related video. Sixth one is chat with experts. In this option, you can chat with experts and ask your queries. Fifth one is news option. You take news related to agriculture. Third app is Agri Market. Uses of this app is: first one is it can be used to get market price of crops in that market price of crops within the 50 kilometers of device location. This app automatically captures the location of person using mobile GPS and fetches the market price of crops in those market in which fall within the range of 50 kilometers. There is another option to get price of any market and any crop in case of person does not want to use their GPS. This app helps to find out buyers for the produce, and therefore this app is the best online marketplace for the farmers. Fourth app is AgriMedia. It is the online marketplace farming retail, and it also provides information about various government schemes and the latest news. Options provided by this app is first is buy and sell option. Buying and selling of agricultural products, animals, seeds, fertilizer, chemical, implements, vehicles, organic products, etc. with base sale platform. Second, Kisan Mall. See, understand and consider the correct information for the purchase of seed, fertilizer, chemicals and other material. Third one is AgriMedia videos. Agri Information Center, where you will get knowledge about agronomy, horticulture, animal husbandry and the rural development in easy language with audio visual content. Fourth one is e-library. Grand library, agricultural magazines and books for information related to farming, animal husbandry, poultry, fishery and the implements etc. Fifth number app is Kisan Suvidha. Uses of Kisan Suvidha is Kisan Suvidha app provides information about weather, new prices and the buyers with crop production technology. Options provided by this app is weather, live weather information of your location, next 15 days forecasting option is provided. Second one is dealers of seeds, pesticides, fertilizer, farm machineries were provided so that you can buy them at any time. Third one is market price. The options provide information on minimum support price of various crops. Second one is they also help to find out marketplace near me. Fourth number is plant protection. Plant protection measures on various crops were provided. Fifth one is agro advisory. Here various advisories related to various fields like agri, animal husbandry, dairying, fisheries, horticulture, sericulture, weather are provided. Sixth number is call toll free to KCC option. Here you can call to KCC for your queries. Seventh one is soil health card. Here the information about soil health card village wise were provided. You can search your village, your name with mobile number registered. They will get full details about soil health card of a particular farmers. Then 8th number is cold storage and the godowns, where you can godowns and cold storage in your district can be find out. 9th number is animal husbandry, veterinary center, diagnostic laboratories and the artificial insemination center can be easily find out using this app. Next app is eNAM. Uses in this app information provided as about NAM, Android mandis, commodities, prices, notification, find out nearby mandi prices, login option. First is buyer and the agent. Various buyer or the agent for various commodities were listed. Then mandi. You can enroll your mandi or you can search out any mandi and the prices for commodity. Commodity option. Various information about various commodities were provided. Prices of commodities in selected mandis can be known. You can register and then log in for this app. Then next one is crop insurance. This app can be used to calculate the insurance premium for notified crop based on area coverage, amount and the loan amount in case of loany farmer. It can also be used to get details of normal sum insured, extended sum insured, premium details and the subsidy information of any notified crop in notified area. Next one app is Kisan Yojana, developed by ANN Agricultural News Network. Various government schemes related to agriculture and the allied field like soil conservation, soil health and the fertilizer, seed, water irrigation, training to farmers and the extension services, agro technology and the agricultural engineering, agri credit, agri insurance, crop protection, horticultural production, agricultural marketing, integrated farming, agricultural awards, water harvesting technology, quality control labs, ideal village program, Maharashtra State Small Scale Farmer Agri Trade Organization, Nasik. Ninth number is PM Kisan Government of India. PM Kisan Government of India is designed and developed by National Informatics Center, Ministry of Electronics and the Information Technology, Government of India. Here, information about Prime Minister Kisan Sanman Nidhi were provided. Procedure for handling of app. Firstly, I open Play Store, then install all the apps needed. Then open the app first, then choose Marathi and Hindi language. Registered with mobile number or email ID, name and the created password. I selected city, state, district, village, etc. asked by entered. Then selected category like buyer or seller list, mandi price and the search for better buyer or seller with desired price. I selected commodity which want to buy or sell. Then contact the buyer or seller. After negotiation, price of commodity were decided. Then payment option were selected. These all above information or the procedure were informed to the farmer. Then feedback of the farmer after the demonstration. Farmers got satisfied after demonstration as they got perfect knowledge about various applications, their use, advantages, etc. They were thankful to me for conducting such type of demonstration and for invited them. Thank you all of you. I am thankful to course teacher because of they guide me for conduct such type of demonstration. I was happy because of I gave knowledge to the farmers as well as it also helped to me to know new information related to marketing. Please share this video to all farmers. Thanks for watching.